Hello friends, today I want to show you my newest toy or my newest tool. It's a high quality, reliable tool from Kinzo. It's a rechargeable mini grinder for different purposes. You can use it for grinds, sands, cuts, engraves, polishes, and so on. It's running with 10,000 RPM and it has 2 years warranty. Let's have a look. So, this tool is running with 3.6 volt. It was very cheap, only $11 in Germany, and so let us have a look. Oops. It's coming a very nice box. Very nice. Let's do it the right way, not the wrong way. I think this one is better. Oh, fine. It's a great equipment with different tools. Oh, it's sharp. This is Kinzo, on off. And rechargeable. Let's try. I think the voltage is okay. Is it running? Yes, it is running fine. Some more equipment. Whoa. The instruction manual. And the declaration of conformity. Also a guarantee card. And now let's look. Have a look. Fine. This tool has more than 100 accessories. Have a look here. And inside here. Also drillers and many other things. That's a very fine tool and very cheap, because only 11 bucks in Germany, and I hope for the future that's well done. So be careful. Hi guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day, especially for my friends in America. I'm grinding. Bye bye.